How to ask a guy to be your boyfriend. Asking a guy to be your boyfriend can be scary, but it doesn't have to be. With the right mindset, you can have a meaningful conversation about the future of your relationship with a guy without feeling stressed. 1. Determine whether you're ready to commit. The decision to commit can be a tricky one. Whether or not you are ready for a committed, steady relationship can be determined by a number of factors. Every case is different, and you might have certain expectations for a relationship. 2. Take the length of your relationship into consideration. Asking your guy to be your boyfriend too soon can scare him off if the feeling isn't mutual, but waiting too long can create confusion and hurt feelings. Since all relationships are different, there's no specific amount of time you should wait before asking. Trust your instinct. If the timing feels right, it might just be. 3. Identify whether the guy is interested. You should have some indication about how the guy feels about you. The only way to be absolutely certain about his feelings is to ask him, but you can look for certain signs that might signal his feelings. 4. Prepare yourself for rejection. While you're hoping he agrees to be your boyfriend, keep in mind that he might say no. Your guy may not be ready for a serious relationship with you, or perhaps he doesn't like using titles or labels to describe your relationship. Think about how you will respond to a rejection. Choosing the right moment. 5. Plan ahead. It will be easier for you if you know when you are going to ask the question. You can practice the conversation ahead of time, or you can identify the right moment to bring the issue up. There is no one right time to ask a guy to be your boyfriend. Judge your personal circumstances carefully. 6. Meet in person. It might be tempting to text or message a guy to ask him, but these questions are best dealt with in person. Talking in person allows you to explore different options for your relationship. If there are any questions or concerns the guy has, you can deal with them together. 7. Determine a good place for conversation. There is no one right place to have the relationship talk, but it should be a place where you can both express your feelings and discuss your future together. Consider what is right for you and the guy. 8. Introduce the question at the right moment. While hanging out on your planned day, you should focus on staying relaxed. Wait until a good moment to introduce the topic. Wait for a moment that feels right or special. If you are having difficulty with this, you can follow some basic guidelines. 9. Consider waiting for your guy to bring it up first. If getting around to calling him your boyfriend isn't too high a priority, consider waiting to see if your guy mentions it first. This also helps you feel out whether your guy is comfortable with using titles or labels to define your relationship. This might be a good option if you are uncertain about your feelings or if you think that he is uncertain about the relationship. Do not wait around forever for a guy to bring up the question. Set a date for yourself before you ask him. For example, you might give him a month before asking him yourself.